To use voice typing on a Nothing Phone 4a, first of all you will have to set this up by opening the settings. Scroll all the way down to the system, go to the keyboard, open on-screen keyboard, and first of all make sure that you have enabled the Google Voice Typing with this switcher, and when you click here you can for example block the offensive words filter, pick the default language that you want to use. So for me it will be English from the United States, click Save. Now it only works when you are connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data. So if you want to use offline voice typing, you have to click to add a language and make sure that your language pack is downloaded. So thanks to this you will be able to use it offline. And here also what is recommended to switch for mobile plus the Wi-Fi updates. And just check if you already have this language. Now we have to go back, go to the Gboard and select voice typing. Enable this here and click to the faster voice typing. Now you will have to open your keyboard just anywhere. Maybe let's do this in the settings, we'll get quick access for this one. Now you are clicking on this microphone icon, you have to grant permission for a microphone. And now you can just start saying whatever you want, but sometimes for the first time it's not working. For me, everything is fine, but sometimes you have to just restart your phone to let it work.